Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by eliminating simple but common causes. First, make sure your network is stable. Switch Wi-Fi off and on or use mobile data briefly. Once done, verify date, time, and time zone are set to automatic because mismatches block sign-in. Now sign out of the account in Settings Accounts if visible. Finally, prepare your Google credentials and recovery options so you can re-authenticate quickly once we clear caches and update services. Next, you'll fix corrupted app state and outdated services. Go to Settings Apps Google Play Services, force stop, clear cache, and clear storage if sign-in still fails. Do the same for Google Play Store and Google Services Framework. Then check System Update and install any Android updates. Make sure Google Play Services is up to date in Play Store. After updates, remove the Google account and re-add it, testing sign-in after each step to isolate the problem. Finally, apply advanced recovery steps only if earlier actions didn't work. Reset app preferences or perform a network settings reset to restore misconfigured defaults. This won't erase personal files. If that still fails, back up your data and perform a factory reset as a last resort because it removes custom system states that block authentication. If problems persist after reset, sign in on a web browser to check for security alerts or two-step prompts, because account locks or verification requests often stop device sign-in.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.